Okay, I just wanted to follow up on the trades that were done today. If you see here, we are $435 for the day, which recovered from the loss that I had yesterday. So let's review the trades. This one was done early in the morning when I was broadcasting. So it's $100 right here for a move, very little move from here to there. So it's $100, and the stop was right below this. So when I initiated this trade, the settings for this one was saying here 120, which is $1,200, which is a huge stop. So I moved that stop right below this low here, and it kept moving. I also entered the trade a little bit too late, but it was okay because it was trending and it was breaking the yesterday's high and the overnight high. So high probability of a trade and very short, very small target I wanted here. So that is $100. Then in the later on, here it broke to the other side. And at this point, the moving averages were pointing down. So in this zone here, the moving averages were not clear in the Renko chart. But when it moved down, then it was a little bit more clear that this one could continue to go down, and it was kind of close to the floor pivot right here, the green line at 1774. So I took the trade for another $100, and it was met there. So those are the two trades in gold for today. $200 right there, 100 here and 100 here, one to the upside and the other one to the downside. Then it reversed, and it's been moving, sideways during the afternoon, or it's been kind of messy here. So in consolidating again in this 1785 area or level, right? So let me probably, if we see this, these are the trades for yesterday. Didn't do good here. I was going with a little bit too tight stops, so I didn't let the trade to work itself, right? So here it's kind of moving sideways, still in the range, hasn't moved above this support, this resistance level at 1789. So it's consolidating still. Let's go to crude. So crude has a couple of trades as well. So yesterday mess. So today broke. So remember, if you see the video for earlier in the morning, I said that there was a release for crude inventories. And then this trade was right after, so I had a resting order right there at this level, 82.40, 82.38, something like that. And that target, and it started to move in this direction when if it was first released, it was bouncing in this area. So then it moved higher, and then I took the 150 target in there, and I put stop loss right there. Right, so I didn't trigger, but it triggered the limit order for 150, and then I kept moving up. It broke here. I took this second break, and then the next target was also a low ball of or low target for $100. So then it hits it right there. It went a couple of boxes more to the upside, and then found a little bit of resistance at this level right here, and then came back, and then it's been moving sideways in this area, and now it broke once again. So we're bullish in gold, but we're taking low balls targets. So that would complete the trades for today, for $435, reversing the loss that we had yesterday. That would be the update for trades on October 20th, 2021. Thank you for watching.